I'm Karl Zemlin, creator of the Zemlin Photo Bayonet-Mount lens hood for super telephoto lenses. Nikon has a couple of lenses that use two-piece lens hoods. I've designed one-piece replacements for those, but if you want to stay truer to the original equipment, I offer two-piece hoods too. For maximum protection from flare, rain, dust, or anything else that might be mitigated by a supersized hoods, I have an extended version as well. Handling a two-piece bayonet mount hood is no big deal, but I want to share a couple of quick tips to make it easy for you to handle from day one. This is my Nikon 400mm f2.8 VR lens with the standard two-piece hood. To remove it, place one hand on the inner section to keep it in place and pop the outer section loose. Reverse the outer section and lock it in place. Then grab the inner and outer sections together and unlock the pair from the lens. Reverse the pair of hoods and then reach in from behind and lock them together in place. With the pair reversed like this, if you torque only the outer hood, it may come loose while you're trying to lock the inner. To remount for shooting, it's basically the reverse of what I just did. Reach in from behind, grab both hoods together to unlock them from the lens. Mount the pair, and then to release the outer section, I recommend using two hands when rotating it. This will ensure the inner section remains locked on the lens while you pop the outer section loose. Flip it around, mount it, and you're ready for action. Of course, if you want to be a little more compact, you can either shoot with the outer section removed altogether or leave it reversed.